Alright, so we've learned how to do a leave request, so let's learn how to do the premium request. It's very much the same. Go ahead and click on premium request, new premium hour request. Okay, the type hours are different for civilians, which I'll go over that later. Compensatory time earned is what I'm going to use for military. You're going to pick the date that you did the overtime. We're going to say we did it on the 17th. We were over. We'll say we were here from 10 o'clock in the morning till 1300 for a total of 3 hours. Now you're going to want to put a justification, and after you type in the justification, you're going to click on your certifiers to notify. Then you're going to click the submit button, and that's how you do a premium request. Alright, so now that we've talked about the premium requests and entering them, we're going to talk about some of the codes that you'll use from premium requests. Most of them have to do with overtime. Again, there's drop-down menus that for the civilian that were not available for the military that I showed you, but the concepts and the idea is all the same. So for coding for overtime, you're going to put OW if you worked Saturday overtime. Okay, this includes Friday night if you work, continues into Saturday. So if you come on Friday night at 7 o'clock and work to Saturday 7 a.m., that is OW, Saturday worked, for overtime. OD is for Sunday. That's starting on Saturday night before midnight on into Sunday after midnight. OH is if you work overtime on a holiday. This includes an in lieu of holiday. We have OU, overtime worked on a non-weekend day, so your weekday overtime. OX is overtime worked on a non-scheduled non-weekend day. So it'd be non-scheduled. So if I called you in that morning and asked you to work and it was overtime, then it's non-scheduled overtime. OC is overtime worked on callback, which means that you came in with less than 2 hours duration. If you have comp time that you're going to work on Saturday, you claim CW. Comp time worked on Sunday is CS. Comp time worked on a holiday includes in lieu of holiday is CH. If you're pulling call and so it's outside of the hours worked, you want OB, which is on call. So that means that if I have you work a Saturday and the following Saturday you're only on call if I need you, then you're going to put OB. And then LE is on call on a holiday. That means that you came in, we didn't need you, and you went home, and an LE means that you're available to come back to work. And those are the premium request codes for ATAAPS.